Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope students you are fine. Okay student, we are going to start our third lecture, which is basically about unit number 2. So open your books, page number 28, unit number 2, war and peace. In this unit we will know about war and also about peace. Okay, this is there is first part of this unit, which is about origami. So it is non-fiction, as I already told you that non-fiction is reality. It is based on reality. So this is also based on reality. Okay. First of all, we will see what is origami basically. Origami is a very ancient Japanese art of paper folding. It is an art of paper folding. It actually began in China but spread to Japan by the 6th century. Okay, student, it started from China and it spread all over the world in Japan, especially in Japan in 6th century, since when it has become an important part of Japanese culture, and then it became an important part of Japanese culture. Okay, paper butterflies make for wedding to symbolize the bride and groom are just one example of the many traditional origami figure involved over the countries. They make different type of paper butterflies to for bride and groom to show for showing good wishes for them. Okay student, come to page number here is a method of paper crane, how to make a paper crane. This is the way they make different paper cranes by using this way. Okay, come to page number 30. There is written the paper cranes of peace. Now what is the paper cranes of peace here? Okay, we will start from first paragraph. There is a Japanese legend which says that whoever folds 1000 origami crane will live a long life. Okay, the Japanese believe that if a person folds or if a person makes 1000 paper cranes, he will live long life. Okay, then in second paragraph, in first paragraph they are also talking about first atomic bomb, which was held in 1955 in Hiroshima. So in second paragraph they are talking about the ending of World War II in 1945. They are talking about different destructions by this bomb. So here they are also talking about a girl whose name was Sadako Sasuke. So she was also victim of this atomic bomb. So she was when she listened that if a person makes 1000 paper cranes, he or she will long live life. So she was ill, but she was a hope that she will make 1000 paper cranes. So she started making paper cranes, but when she made 635 or 634 paper cranes, she after that she got died. So after her death, her friends and her colleagues made rest of the paper cranes and completed 1000 paper cranes for her. But Sadako only wanted to make a peaceful country. She wanted peace in her country. So she started making paper cranes. Then her friends and her family or her colleagues made a monument in Hiroshima for showing their love for Sadako. So here is on page number 31, there is a Sadako Peace Monument in Hiroshima. It shows that there is a this shows that she wanted only peace in the Japan. So this is the basically reason why this monument is here in the Japan. So there are some words which I have underlined for you people. You will write their meanings, which are in next page. There are some question answers. You will write these question answers also on your copies. These are the words meaning from this chapter. You will write words and also you will write their meanings on your copies on your registers. So these are the question answers, and then